How to hide channels on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide the channels section on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version. Next, open WhatsApp and go to the Updates tab. Scroll down to the Channels section. If you're not following any channels, look for the arrow next to Find Channels to Follow and tap it. This will collapse the section and hide the suggested channels from view. If you are already following channels, you'll first need to unfollow all of them. Once you've done that, return to the Updates tab and tap the arrow next to Find Channels to Follow to hide the suggested channels. If the arrow isn't available on your version of WhatsApp, the feature may not have rolled out to your account yet. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app and check again after future updates. That's it! That's how you can hide the channels section on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.